Tangina, may itlog yung ice cream. Yeah, it's good ah. Namasa-masa pa. Lagi masarap. Tapos marami pa iba-ibang flavor. So, marami silang combination. Ito lang yung signature nila. Niyang hearing pala. Lukain kayo dito. Crap. Kakadami talaga.
Yeah.
Akala ko nung una, dessert din yung dilaw. Parang in-imitate lang. Hindi kagi, legit talagang itlog. Tas the good thing is,
So good, bro.
the good thing is, the egg yolk make the ice cream more creamier.
Yeah.
So that's why, I know it's weird, but
That is why that
You-
signature, bro.
you should try that. Ay,
You come
nandito
to
pala
Thailand,
kami
never
sana.
forget to try that, bro.
You know
But
the,
smoke first.
yeah, you need to
Small
be
portion.
high. You need to be high before trying this. And then,